We are Team HexaGen. So we are solving the one of the major problem statement titled as creating an application to identify the presence of government issued personal identifiable information embedded in documents and data. So our app name is URUSHYA, which means safeguard, which aims to promote safeguarding government issued PIIs in digital assets. So moving on to why we choose this as a problem statement, because among the most critical pieces of PII are the social security numbers. There's those are Aadhaar numbers, PAN number, driving license numbers. All these are the social security numbers. These numbers are gateway to any individual's identity, making them prime target for identity theft. For example, if any of our PII or social security number is being exposed, so we are very much devastated or like exposed to having the fraudulent and other identity theft, which will lead to misleading activities and legal liabilities on any of the customer trust. So, what we are proposing as a solution, we offer a software innovative tool that detects and masks the PII. For example, there's an Aadhaar number. On Aadhaar number, Aadhaar card. So you will be having Aadhaar number. So what our tool will be doing, it will be detecting that Aadhaar number and masking it so that this cannot be leaked or exposed to any of other individual without your permission. So we are also supporting multiple formats for like if you want it in PDF form, we'll be giving you encrypted PDF. If you want in JPG or any of the image format, we'll be giving it with the help of masked PI. So so our solution uses partial masking so that it can recognize the key details. That is, it won't be masking any of the other information rather than social security number because our main motive and our problem statement entitled to that only. So if you move on to the next slide, which that is a technical approach. So in technical approach to ensure effectiveness, we went with the backend Python, which will be using Flask as an API, and Node.js and Express.js for building a RESTful API, which will be using for the backend part. And for the front end, we use Next.js for responsive interface. So moving on to the model, which is very much necessary and important for our tool. To ensure effectiveness, we employed advanced machine learning techniques, including a CNN model for PII detection and YOLO V8 with PyTorch for real-time PII detection in images. So we also leveraged Tesseract OCR for text extraction from documents, all providing a user-friendly web interface for easy interaction with masking features. So what it will be doing, it will be detecting that social security number uh, from your document that is PII, and after detecting it, it will be extracting that number and masking it with the help of OpenCV and PIL. What is PIL? PIL is a pillow library basically which we are using from Python. So it will detect PII by matching them with the respective regular expression, and after that it can be masked, and then we are giving it in a different formats, that is PDF, even Excel and PPT and Doc, by matching them with the respective regular expressions. So feasibility and viability. So we have the technical viable. It's very much technical viable using current machine learning techniques and OCR. There is like it's very much necessary and easily implementable with the help of techniques and tools which we are using as of now. Challenges, we are it's as of now we do not have access to any of the personal identifier information to local people, so we are building a fake PIIs, and after that we are detecting it from then, following the strict privacy laws and legal constraints so that it won't dilute them. Strategies, as just discussed already, the model which we are using is CNN model, which works with TensorFlow and Keras for detecting PI in documents, and YOLO V8 for real-time PI detection in images, and OCR for text extraction, and then synthetic data for training or overcome the dataset limitations. So in conclusion, our solution not only addresses and the pressing challenges of data privacy, but also empowers organizations to share information confidentially, knowing they are protected against potential breaches. As this, so if I want to conclude who all will be our user base and target users. That they can be anyone. For example, if I am an individual and if I want to mask my PII without any information, so I can do it and then send it to any of the organization by for we are offering encrypted PDF too, so user can set up their own password. So whenever they'll be sending it to other users, so that will be encrypted. And for the large organizations, it has been observed that in recent last few years, many of the organizations got their data leaked, which leads to many of the fraudulent and theft identity related legal compliances in recent times. So yeah, this is the tool we'll be providing. So moving on to the we have done with the implementation part also. So if we move on to the like at front end, so this is our front end. We are ready Urusha as we named our web app. So after signing up, we have two options: sign up and sign in. Sign up is the for the new users. After signing up, they can sign in. So yes, you can enter your own email and own password for signing in. So after signing into the PII detector, we'll be logging into our dashboard. So, so yeah, this is our dashboard for our app web app Urusha. So here we have given five major options to upload your PII files, PDF files, Word files, presentation, PPT, spreadsheets, and images. So for example, if I choose to PDF files, you'll be able to choose your own file, and uh, yeah, after choosing your own file, you will be getting upload and processes info, and then you'll be getting an output. As of now, we are not getting it on the local. So moving on to the implementation part. So this is our implementation. All the PIS, that is Aadhaar number given on that Rajesh Rajesh Kumar, all the Aadhaar number has been matched. Phone numbers has been matched. Like all last four digits at every of the PAN card and PIIs have been uh, given so that it can be easily identified by the person itself, and it's not any issue to them. So yes, this is our implementation for PDF, and how this has been done. We have used CNN models as we talked it in our implementation part. So this is our implementation for the Excel part, how it's been labeled. So this is PAN number. So PAN number is being masked with the help of our model, which we discussed that we are using Keras and TensorFlow for masking, and then moving on to the OCR. OCR is extracting all the text from it, and then after detecting the text which is required by us, we are masking it on the Aadhaar number. So yes, in the conclusion, I wanted to say that it's very necessary for any of the individual to protect their PII number. So yes, we all should promote this. Thank you.